Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy teaches you how to fold stuff. Today we are going to start by having a look at t-shirts. So I'm gonna split this series into probably 7 parts. 7? Yes. We're gonna have a look at the most space-saving ways, the neatest ways, way to fold polo shirts, fastest way to fold t-shirts. We're gonna do one daily here coming up for the next week or so. Also, gonna have a look at the best ways to hang these t-shirts. So obviously this is gonna be pretty short videos. I'm splitting it up because I made this entire enormous article here on the website. You can check it out, organizing.tv/fold-t-shirts. And yeah, if you want a practical guide, that's where you can see it as well. And I haven't made a cheat sheet for it yet. If you're interested in the cheat sheet, let me know. It takes a lot of time to make it, like an entire evening. So yeah, if you want that, let me know. Alright, so let me show you the pinch fold, also known as the 2-second fold, the 3-second fold. Really, it's up to you how good you get at it. At first we're going to take it a little bit slowly here so that you can get the hang of it. But once you do get the hang of it, it is going to be the fastest possible way to fold a t-shirt. So it's quite simple, but it takes some practice. So we are going to start by taking our left hand here, and we're going to pinch the top of the shoulder area of the t-shirt on the side closest to you, right? So the closer you go to the neck area, the smaller the fold is going to be, but it's also going to be slightly thicker. Usually a happy medium will be about the halfway point between this seam at the shoulder and the seam at the neck. With your other hand, we are going to create a parallel line going all the way down along the shirt here. And we're going to make one point in the middle here, and we're going to make another point here at the bottom that we're going to use a little bit later. But for now, take your right hand, pinch the middle of the t-shirt, parallel down from the top. And then, here comes the fun part. We are going to take our left hand, while holding on to this little piece of fabric, we are going to fold it down under our right hand. So you're still following, right? So once you reach the bottom here, you need to grab hold of the bottom fabric as well. So now you're pinching both the top and the bottom with your left hand, while your right hand is still holding on to the middle. So now that you're sitting here kind of with your hands in a cross, we are going to lift up and uncross our hands while holding on to all the 3 pieces of fabric. So how you do this is just lift it up and turn it around like this. Alright, so now that we have lifted it up here, we are going to take note of how much fabric is between the neck and the edge of the fold here. Because next we are going to use the table as a help to pull the t-shirt forward like this. And we're going to fold it over at the same point as we folded the neck with our hands. So like this. Just lay it down. This one takes a little bit of practice to get used to, but once you get a hang of it, it will look like this. So you can stack them multiple ones. Let's do another one too, so you can see how they look stacked on top of each other. This is a role for the later videos down in the article. So again, laying the t-shirt down here flat with the front facing up, like so. Sorry about the small table. We're going to find a point here between the shoulder and the neck. Grab hold here, under, pinch both, turn around, slam it against the table, like so. Ta-da! And essentially that's how you would stack them, right? So you put another one here on top of this one, and you continue and continue. Let me show you fast how you do it as well before we move on to the next fold. Alright, so again, bam, 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 and you are done. Hope this was helpful. Next, we're going to have a look at the Ranger roll, which is a lot of fun as well. See you there. By the way, make sure to read the article on organizing.tv/fold-t-shirts. And yeah, stay up to date.